news to you people. It's only that India has blood pressure, all that. I think we all should be proud about this, isn't it? Is it? I don't see any response. We should not be proud about this, right? Okay, now if you ask me why is this so? Because most of us Indians, we don't understand the benefits or importance of fitness in everyday life. That is what we are going to talk about in this presentation, right? Now,
మామూలుగా బేసిక్గా సార్ చెప్పింది ఏంటంటే రోజు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయాలి. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ వారంలో 5 days, లేకపోతే ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే 3.2 kilometers హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్లో వాక్ చేయాలి. am I right?
Yeah.
3.2 kilometers హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్.
That is the bare minimum requirement.
ఓకే, మినిమమ్. దాంతోపాటు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అంటే ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్తోనే అలా ఇవి కావు, మనకి ఈరోజు చాలా ఆప్షన్స్ వచ్చాయి. మనకి ఏరోబిక్స్ అని, డాన్స్ ఏరోబిక్స్ అని, జిమ్కి వెళ్తే చాలా ఎక్విప్మెంట్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి. దాంతోపాటు యోగా, పవర్ యోగా, ఇలాంటివి డాన్స్ యోగా అని చాలా వచ్చాయి.
Okay, this equipment, I think all of you know this equipment, right? This is called treadmill. Okay, basically it is used for walking, jogging or running also. Okay, so this is the most common piece of equipment you will find in any fitness center because it closely matches your everyday activity, right? So let's see how to do this. You please do it, sir, then I'll explain. Okay, you do it. So when you go and get onto a treadmill, first thing what you should do is, do not stand on the belt directly. That is the first thing you need to remember, because what happens when you start the machine, there will be a jerk. Okay, if you are not alert, you might fall down. So always stand on the railings first. Okay, like this. You can stand on the railings, start the machine. As the belt starts moving, step into it and then slowly start walking it. I'll start now. Please step on. Okay, come closer to the machine. Always try to be closer to the control panel. Okay, there is a cord, emergency cord attached to this panel. If you move out, okay, this will snap out and the machine will stop. Why this is designed like this? Because if you move out, you might slip and fall down. Okay, in order to prevent that, the safety wire is given. So always try to be closer to the control panel, attach this cord to your body and then start doing the exercise. Okay, okay, as it is now, I'll just keep it here because you are used to this. Okay, start. See, as you start doing this, okay, what you should do is hold the railings first. First hold the railings, walk for a few minutes, get your balance, get to know the movement. Then once you are comfortable, the first thing you should do is take out one hand. Don't take out two hands, take out one hand and try to walk for a few more minutes. So if you are comfortable, if you think you can manage without holding, you can leave both the hands and walk. And you can slowly increase the speed as much as you require. Okay, do not raise the speed drastically. Okay, you should be able to do the treadmill activity continuously for at least 10 minutes. Okay, keep the speed in such a way that you sustain the 10 minutes. Okay, actually to set the speed, we need to do a pre-screening. Actually, we have to conduct a fitness testing and then only we should give the speed and all that. So right now I don't have time for all that. I'm just explaining you, right? So once you are done with that, you can just slow down first. Do not stop the machine all of a sudden. Slow down the speed and then stop it. Okay. Now other thing you should remember while doing the treadmill activity is, do not lean forward. You should stand tall, look straight ahead. Okay. If you lean forward, there will be an unnecessary loading on your back. The stress on the back will be increased. That you need to avoid. And once you are comfortable with the walking, probably you can increase the elevation of the treadmill to make it a little harder. And then again, if you feel okay with that, the next time, maybe after 2 to 4 weeks time, you can try to raise the speed. You can do a jog or a run. Okay, so first day walking, next day inclination walking, third day jogging, that should not be the case. You should allow your body to adapt to the exercise. This adaptation will take 2 to 4 weeks time. Okay, so please remember that at least for 2 weeks you do one particular activity in one particular way, then you can go for the advanced versions. Any doubts so far? No doubts. I think she got it right.